Okay, I'm in a crawl space right now, and I want to show you what's going on with some plumbing I found. The water supply pipe here appears to be type L, the copper. It's really pitted, and it's actually leaking in several areas on one length of pipe, so I'm kind of thinking it's just a bad pipe. However, let me show you what that looks like. So that right there is actually leaking. You can see the drip of water in there. And there's several of them here. This goes all the way down. Several feet. Multiple pitting. Typically it's a common occurrence with type M pipe, which is the cheaper of the two, the thinner pipe. And as you can see, this is clearly leaking. I also found okay, so they replaced most of the plumbing, but not the verticals inside the walls. As you can see, that's copper connected to galvanized pipe. So yeah, that's not good. I just found this in multiple areas. And if you look here at the waste pipe, you can see, let me get a better angle of that. Yeah, if you look, you can see how discolored the soil is. So it looks like there was a major sewer leak here. It appears they fixed it, because I do see some new ABS plastic connected to that cast iron. So what this is just spot repairs. They didn't replace all the cast iron, which is this pipe here. Oh, this pipe is cast iron. That pipe there. That's the ABS plastic they replaced, probably because of that leak. And I want to show you one more piece of drain pipe. Okay, this here is a split drain pipe. It's only a matter of time before that starts pouring out sewerage. So it's time to replace all of this. It's clearly time to replace all of this cast iron under this house. So just another tip for you from John here. Get your home inspected, get someone to get under your house and take a look at everything, because you never know what you're going to find. Please subscribe to my channel, and that's really not the cops behind me, it's just my flashing light on my head. I'm not being pulled over in the crawl space, thank God. Take it easy, see you on the next one.